Hi everyone in the world of cloud computing. Here are a few tech news highlights. I'm Brad Nelson of Nelson Hilliard, cloud computing recruitment specialist placing great people in cloud, IoT, fintech and AI. Thank you all for your support on social media and subscribing to our blogs and YouTube videos. Our shows are now on iTunes with podcasts of all the shows and news, and there is a link below. You can book a one-to-one call with me using my online diary, where there is also a link below in the description box. Watch out for the new weekly cloud computing shows with David Linthicum, who is the world's #1 cloud industry expert and internationally recognised thought leader. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share these videos with your friends and your colleagues. This week, Australia has ranked in the top 5 IT economies for cloud policies out of 24 economies that were studied. The Australia IT economy offers one of the best legal and regulatory environments for cloud, according to the BSA, the Software Alliance's 2018 Global Cloud Computing Scorecard. The BSA study has assessed 24 countries for cloud computing policies and preparedness for its adoption around the globe, and showed Australia had gone up 1 spot compared to the 2016 study. The scorecard analyses data privacy, security, cybercrime, intellectual property rights, standards and international harmonisation, promoting free trade and IT readiness and broadband deployment. Out of the 24 leading IT economies, Germany scored the highest due to its national cybersecurity policies and promotion to free trade, and it was followed closely by Japan and the United States. At the bottom of the list are a small group of nations that have failed to embrace the international approach. These are Russia, China, Indonesia and Vietnam. This week sees a big congratulations to Brendan Thwaites and Wayne Phillips as they joined the Bitglass team. Cloud security solutions provider Bitglass has been building up its local team, hiring former Palo Alto Networks talent Brendan Thwaites as its new Director of Channels and Alliances for the Asia Pacific and Japan, and Wayne Phillips as Head of Systems Engineering for Australia and New Zealand. Brendan was most recently Director of Distribution for Palo Alto Networks in APAC and is now responsible for developing and maturing the Bitglass channel and bringing it in line with its growth strategies across the region. Thwaites is focusing on Australia and New Zealand first and will be driving the creation of new partner opportunities and programs to build momentum within enterprise and commercial markets. Wayne Phillips will be responsible for the company's pre-sales effort, designing cloud security solutions and providing technical support for customer deployments of Bitglass next-gen cloud access security broker technology. Congratulations, wishing you both all the success. This week saw a report from Synergy Group Research come in that 2017 saw tech giants spend nearly $75 billion on hyperscale infrastructure, with Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google and Microsoft being the top 5 spenders. According to the data from Synergy Research Group, the capital expenditure, or CapEx, of hyperscale cloud operators came to $75 billion for 2017, with $22 million in the fourth quarter, a 19% growth over 2016. Synergy analysed the CapEx and data centre footprint of 24 of the world's major cloud and internet service firms, including the largest operators in infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, search, social networking and e-commerce. Synergy noted that Amazon and Facebook showed strong CapEx growth in the past year. According to Synergy, most of the hyperscale CapEx is invested in expanding huge data centers. It's been reported that Amazon is primed to beat Apple to the $1 trillion mark. Apple, the world's most valuable publicly listed company, is in danger of being beaten by Amazon.com to the $1 trillion mark. Wall Street's optimism about last year's 10th anniversary iPhone had propelled Apple's stock 24% higher over the past 12 months, giving it a market capitalization of $893 billion. That is $141 billion more than the $752 billion market value of Amazon, the world's second most valuable publicly listed company. But Amazon has been closing the gap. Amazon stock has surged 83% over the past year, bolstering the scorchingly fast revenue growth as more shopping moves online and businesses shift their computing operations to the cloud, where Amazon Web Services leads the market. In January, Amazon announced that it, Berkshire Hathaway and JP Morgan Chase & Co. would form a company to cut healthcare costs for their employees, which was widely seen as a threat to the existing US healthcare system and underscored Amazon's ability to disrupt markets. Amazon dislodged Microsoft as the world's #2 US company by market capitalization in February. This week sees another big congratulations to Sean Abbott as he steps into the Australia and New Zealand country manager role at Certo. Abbott has more than 20 years of experience in IT security and business transformation. Certo Asia Pacific Vice President Andrew Martin said Abbott's appointment reinforced the vendor's commitment to the market, ensuring the business has the right skills and capabilities. Andrew went on to say that Abbott's experience in security, the protection of data and organisational assets puts him in a very strong position to lead the Australian and New Zealand team to help support our growing customer base as we continue to partner with leading cloud service providers and resellers. A big congratulations to you, Sean, and wishing you all the success at Certo. I'm Brad Nelson of Nelson Hilliard, cloud computing recruitment specialist placing great people in cloud, IoT, fintech and AI. I hope you enjoyed watching this week's news, and remember to like, subscribe, comment and share this video with your friends and with your colleagues. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn, find us on Facebook and Twitter. Also check out the latest shows with David Linthicum and the podcast link in the description box below. Until next week, be good, be safe and keep our clouds secure.